Remove the plastic film from both sides of both polarizers. Place the polarizers together in opposite polarities so no light can shine through. Tape them at opposite corners to make a sheath. Remove the plastic film from both sides of one of the beams. Slide the polarizer sheath over the middle of the beam. Hold the beam by wrapping your pointer fingers around both ends. Place both thumbs on the bottom of the beam as close to the polarizers as possible. Hold the beam up to a white light source. Bend the beam by pushing up with your thumbs and down with your fingers. Try not to push forward or backward. The brightly colored areas are areas of high stress. The dark areas are areas of low stress. Now let's try it with another beam. The most highly stressed areas will be the most colorful. In this sample, that's the vixen's nose and ears. Highly stressed areas are the most likely to break. If you're comfortable doing so, bend the beam until it breaks. This beam reliably breaks at the vixen's nose and ears because those cuts are so sharp. Here's another beam breaking, this time in slow motion.